Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a particular famous celebrity named Payal Rastogi. Not because of her famous in Bollywood films or the Big Boss fame that she got. It is because of that recently she was arrested due to the offences she committed regarding the threatening of life of a society chairman where she lives in a satellite area in Ahmedabad. And Rastogi was a pro-establishment supporter, and she got carried away since the establishment is in support, I guess. I don't know, not in the way of direct establishment, but the political wing of that establishment. She got the support from the political wing establishment, and she always supports supports the establishment's political wing. So what happened was that she has threatened the society chairman's life. So due to this offense, she got arrested, and this is not the first time though. She had other offenses as well. If you really want to know more information about this incident, I've dropped necessary links to know the information, both the news article and as well as the video article about it. Someone explaining in Hindi as well. So if you are interested in to know that, feel free to check in the description. You will be able to find it. And that's all now. And hit a like and share the video if you think it is informative, and a subscription would be very nice to my channel. And thank you very much for your time.